Hello everyone, welcome for today's video. We have, according to Squeegee, 16 cleans to do. We're in the local area, we're in Wisbech, St Mary all day. So hopefully we should get it done. Various size houses, and it's cold, but it's not raining at the moment and the sun looks like it will come out. So see how we do. Right, that's 4 cleans done, all in one area, one part of Wisbech, St Mary, plus Strove. They're all 4 big houses, so we've got 12 houses left to do, but the 4 that we've done is a third of the money we're going to take for the day. So, like I said, the good sized property houses, we've got them done, and we're now heading where the main clump's going to be in Wisbech, St Mary. So next 12, fairly close to each other, and they're a right mixed bag. And yeah, I'm hoping today will go well. The sun's coming out to play, so that's happy days. That last one I just cleaned in the summer after, well, I almost felt like it in the sun. I was going to have to wear sunglasses because the render reflects the light really very well. So yeah, we'll see how today goes. Right, we've got 9 cleans left to go. We're doing a clean, and the next door neighbour, who we've done a couple of jobs for in the past, has asked me to clean conservatory roofs. He's got 2. They're not massive. They're just, one of them is in an awkward spot. So I was able to use a flat roof to use that to reach, because it's in a bit of a quirky place. Anyway, got the job done. She's happy, we're happy. It's now 12 o'clock, so I'm heading home for something to eat, top up the tank, and then get these next 9 cleans done. and hopefully, fingers crossed, we'll still complete the day in time. So let's crack on. Right, so that's done for the day. We're finished. It was all 16 cleans, plus we did an extra job, so it's 17 jobs done today. We're done just around, or it's just after 4:30. The last customer we had a bit of a yarn with as well. He's like nearly 80. He's 80 in a couple of weeks. So yeah, overall, all done. It's a bit chilly, but dry, and the sun was out. So let's just hope next month. I definitely want a good month, start to finish, and not lose any days because of the weather, because I can't afford to, basically. So we'll see how it gets on. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll put a video up here for you, and catch you on the next one.